What is a quarter? So let's start with one whole and the bar to represent that one whole. Now to make a quarter, the whole is broken into 4 parts, and a quarter is created when a whole is split into 4 equal parts, and each of those parts is a quarter, shown up here with the purple lines to show the areas, and then there's 1/4 that's been highlighted in purple. Now the fraction on the side, 1/4, we call a vulgar fraction, and I would like to show you how we convert from a vulgar fraction into a decimal number. Now to do that we use the 1 and the 4, so the 1 whole that has been split into 4 parts, and we do this, so the 1 whole gets divided into those 4 equal parts. How many groups of 4 are there in 1? Well, there are 0, so we write that, and then we add a decimal point and we add a 0 to show that we know that after a 1 whole or after the number 1 there would be a decimal point and a 0 if we were to write it in, but we don't need to normally. But in this case, to be able to regroup, we need that to be there. So now that that decimal point is there, we need to also include it above. We then regroup the 1 into 10/10ths, so the 1 whole has become 10/10ths, and within 10/10ths there are 2 groups of 4, because 2 groups of 4 is 8, and that leaves 2 remaining. So what we're going to do again is we're going to add another 0 on the end, and we're going to regroup that 2 across, and we're now looking at how many groups of 4 there are in 20 hundredths, and there are 5. So that is why 1/4 is equal to 0.25.